Good evening, everyone. Nice to see you. I am myself K. Nani. I am pursuing BCA second year in Sri Balsa Degree College. Now I here to now I here to tell you about education in past and education in present. Now let us start conversation. Education and past. Education and past, there is no sufficient education to studied. There is no education to studied past. In past, education is very simple based on religions. Education was given in in given in will given in will given for given for rich peoples, will given for rich peoples based on traditions, and education will give education will teach us their homes and temples on the days. Teachers moral values and ethical values. By teaching that values, the people are waiting. By teaching moral values and by teaching moral values and ethical values, the people are very nice to talked about each other. Those the days, they don't have any computer languages or any computers to studied. The main focus was on traditions and traditions and go on temples throughout teaching. The students are lived to studied the subject on the teacher's home only. Teacher's home teacher's home. There were not there were not there were not formal exams like degrees or inter. They didn't have any schools or colleges. They didn't have any schools or colleges. That's why they didn't study. Present education system. In present education system is modern and very helpful to students. Education is very important to us. Education is very important to us. Throughout throughout India, we all are studying in best colleges and best schools. In you have so many colleges, private colleges like government colleges. That's why those people will learn new things on colleges. Will you go to college, you will learn good things. You will go to college, you will learn good things about social media or education. If you study well, you will get a job. In present education system, you will have modern classes, online classes or online screens they have AI tools also. ChatGPT like Gemini or Google. Those apps are helps to us studying. Those apps are helps to us studying to get more knowledge about education by using these kind of things. To present future education also is very improving well. The upcoming also more improvement to get in studying. They get more knowledge on upcoming days also. Using these apps, we can get more knowledge on the society. Education is most important key role plays on the society. That's why everyone should compulsory learn the education. Everyone should learn compulsory education. Education gives to us a very good education. If you learn education, you will get a good you will get a you will get good knowledge about the society. That's why you will all learn education. In this society we have so many skills to learn, computer skills like communication skills. Those days if you not have communication skills, you will not get a job. Computer skills, if you any interview ask the questions, like if you ask any interview questions on technicals round, if you go any interview, you will ask technical questions. In the technical questions also you will write. Thank you for giving this opportunity.